Welcome to StudyFetch, your all-in-one platform for learning more efficiently using the power of AI. Now in today's video, I'm going to talk about one of the many features that this platform has to offer, which is the note-taking AI, where you can create notes from your course material in seconds. You can do it from videos, presentations, PDFs, documents, and anything that you can find on the internet, even handwritten notes from your notebook. So first, let's dive into a little rundown of the overall platform, and then let's head on over into the note-taking AI. So this platform allows you to create and chat about anything. You can create your own flashcards, you can create your own study sets, dragging and dropping files, interactive quizzes, for your own study purposes, or even for people that you want to teach. For example, if you want to create an interactive set of quizzes for your children to be able to view once you go home, you can obviously do that very quickly. If you're a teacher, you can do it for your students. If you're a student, you can do it for yourself, so that you can make a lot more of an efficient study experience for yourself, right? Because usually studying is tedious, time-consuming, and repetitive, which is why StudyFetch allows you to reduce your study time by at least 20%, an average of 48 seconds to create any study set, which I'll show you in a moment, and is trained on 1 trillion+ tokens so far. So let's head on over into Notes AI, right? Create AI-generated notes from PDFs, PowerPoints, and lecture videos completely automatically. So this feature alone increased study productivity by 30%, because imagine having an entire PDF document that is many pages long. So let's say 100 pages long, and you only need to summarize it. Or let's say you have an audio book or a book that you need to write a summary for your test or project or something. Well, it's very simple to use our note-taking feature at StudyFetch, where you're able to literally transcribe the entire book, gain a summary, even create a small presentation from it in seconds, right? Quizzes, tutors, you can do anything with it, but I'll show you that within the platform in a moment. Detailed notes, so the AI technology excels in creating detailed notes from various educational resources, including PDFs, PowerPoints, and lecture videos. Summarized notes, where the AI technology excels in creating these summarized notes from a range of educational materials encompassing PDFs, PowerPoints, and lecture videos. And I'll show you all of that in the platform right now, combining it with AI Tutor, which will be one of the future lessons that we're going to talk about over here. So first and foremost, heading on into the actual dashboard, we have the notes section. So we have a demo document right here that is provided as a courtesy by StudyFetch itself. And there's a video here about what is mitochondria, or what are mitochondria. Now, some of you may know that they are the powerhouse of the cell, but if we actually head on over in here and view the document, we'll see that this is a document that I just recently added as a video. Now, how are you able to do that? Well, it's very simple. You press on the import material button, you can create a blank document, create from a subject, YouTube import, Google Docs, handwritten notes and photos, or Quizlet, which is a genius combination over here, or you can drag and drop materials inside. So let's say I imported a video right now, which I did. This is what happens. You have your document, which is right here. You have your transcript, which exactly says, what is going on within the video, or obviously within the document itself. And you have your notes, where you have energy production in the human body, the title, the description, absolutely everything going on within the actual video, right? So I can ask a question. What are mitochondria in one sentence, right? So obviously the AI is going to take a moment and give an answer based on this right here. And obviously, it's going to say hi, a little smiley face. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of the cell. They convert energy from nutrients into a form. And you can ask anything over here, right? You can ask, summarize the last 20 seconds of this video for me in one sentence, right? You may need something like that. Or let's say you imported a 2-hour-long lecture from your university into StudyFetch. You can summarize it all and then summarize it even more, taking only the most important parts. Now, I hope you understand the benefit of this. And once, after all, you can see, as research accelerates, the future holds promise for advances. So this is basically the one-sentence summary of the last 20 seconds of the video, once again powered by AI. You can also do the dual view. So you have your video, you have your mitochondria. You can do it with documents where you have, for example, the PDF. This is it right here. You have your transcript, which is right here. You have your notes from the PDF itself, and you can ask pretty much anything or do a dual view of it, right? So for example, if you want to show the chat, find me 3 quotes to cite in my essay. Let's say, there we go, 3 quotes are right there. You can ask a question from this, or you can say what exactly you need for your studying purposes, and the note-taking will work perfectly. It's very simple to create a study set as well. All you need to do is press the button, start fresh with either a blank note so you can start writing, create from a subject, import from YouTube, Docs, written notes, and photos, or Quizlet. It is very simple to use. It is my favorite platform to use when it comes to actually studying. And as you'll see over time, you will have a lot more features to use. And a few more of them I will be talking about in the next few videos. So stay tuned for that. So that's it for this one. This was AI note-taking with Studyfetch. If you want to learn a little bit more about how to boost your grades with Studyfetch, there is a bunch of articles on our blog, so make sure to check those out as well. And I'll see you all in the next video.